In Patkai Hills, 3 coal workers remain trapped underground following a landslide in an illegal mining operation. The incident occurred around 12:30 p.m. at the illicit Tikok West mining site between Bargolai and Namdang, located under the Tikok colliery in Ledo. The 4 laborers were engaged in underground mining when the disaster struck. While 3 workers were inside the mine extracting coal, a 4th laborer was stationed outside assisting with the coal's transportation. Suddenly, a landslide sealed the mine's entrance, trapping the 3 workers inside. The sole survivor who witnessed the collapse reported the incident. Among those trapped in the Wacharpa from Bhojpur, Nepal, and 2 workers from Meghalaya known only by the first names John and Fenal. Authorities, including police and senior officials from Northeast Coalfields, arrived at the scene and have launched a desperate search and rescue operation. Despite their efforts, no signs of the trapped miners have been found thus far.